The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Welcome back. Good Day Kansas returns from Stutzman's. Today we are at their Cambridge location in Wichita with Mr. Ben Miller. Ben, awesome to see you.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah.
You had a beautiful fall day.
It really is.
Wow.
And you guys are full of fall decor, whether that be mums, pumpkins, gourds, you guys have it all here.
You know, when you think about fall and everything that you can do to just really decorate your place, there's a lot of options with that.
Yeah.
Of course, one of the things that's a real focus for us is the fall mums. And what I've got here is what often considered the starter plant that you would probably plant into the ground and for coming up next year.
Yeah.
Or maybe a table decorator or something like that. But we get the 5.5 inch in our mums starting at $4.99. And but then you've got, of course, the larger ones that are primarily used as a patio decorator and even larger than this. But you know, there's so much that you can do to really create that fun fall look. And we've got miniature and standard size straw bales, the miniature and standard size jacks and pumpkins and gourds and things like that. A couple things here that just are really fun. This is lemon.
Is it really?
This is the variety lemon.
Huh.
This one here is Fireball.
Okay.
And of course Cinderella's one been around that you probably very familiar with.
Yeah.
But is awesome for stackables. And there's so much that you can do with pumpkins. In fact, for us, we probably move 3 to 1 of what we refer to as the funky type versus a jack. Jack, of course, getting closer to Halloween is probably more popular. There's just so much that you can do to just really dress up a total new look, and we love being a part of that.
Well, I feel like the imagination can run wild.
Exactly.
You know, and I feel like that's part of the fun of the season
It
too.
is.
You know,
It is.
It's making it your own.
And you'll often see at our stores some different creativity, some more than others, but it's always fun to watch the staff really come alive and kind of put their twist to it, if you would. Just make it fun.
Yeah,
it really is.
I think this is a great reminder to tell our audience as well, is that you guys are in Western Kansas.
Yes.
You guys are over Salina, obviously Hutchinson, numerous locations, Wichita down to Derby.
Yes.
Pratt. You guys have locations all across the state.
All across the state. Dodge City's as far west as we get, and it's like I said, it's interesting to watch the managers at each location do fun stuff. If you haven't seen Great Bend, you will see it online. We'll be posting some of that. Yeah. But they've gotten real creative.
Yeah. Make sure you go to the Stutzman's website. They've done a great job of kind of showing people how to carve pumpkins and some guiding for the gourds as well. So make sure you check out their website. Ben, thanks so much for being with us today.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
We have more Good Day Kansas coming up next.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
As the days get shorter and the nights start to cool, it's still Stutzman season. Hi, this is Ben Miller. We're excited to see the fall season approaching and the chance to get the sweats out of the closet. Let us help you make the transition to the beauty of fall on your deck, patios, and porches with straw bales, miniature, funky, and traditional pumpkins. Stutzman's has awesome mums in assorted fall colors starting at $4.99. We love fall and invite you to the Stutzman's Garden Center nearest you. Find out more at stutzmans.com or on Facebook.